H5P interactive videos are ideal for use when you already have a video clip that you want to enrich with interactive elements. So, let's begin. To start, first open your course page and click Turn Editing On. Then click Add Component or Resources. Now scroll down and you will see H5P interactive content. Double click on that. So, to select interactive video from this list, look for interactive video. If you cannot find it, you can click here and search for what you're looking for. After finding interactive video, click Details and click Use. When you select the interactive video content type, the main interactive video editor area will appear. Creating the interactive video object is done entirely in this screen in your browser. Here, add title for the new object that will be easy for you to remember and find. Click the box with the plus sign to add a video. A pop-up box will appear. You can add a video from an external link like YouTube, or you can upload one from your computer. I am uploading a video. Click Insert to add your video to the H5P object. So, when the video is uploaded, click Edit Copyright to add details of the video copyright, whether it is yours or belongs to someone else. For more information about copyright and why it matters for external content, please see the article, Citation Styles and Use of Copyrighted Material. Now, click the Interactive Video tab to expand options for how the video playback appears to the learners. Enter a title that will help contextualize the object if you are grading it or viewing learners' progress, so use something that you will remember easily. In some cases, the title you enter will appear on the video before it plays. You can disable this option by checking the tick box next to Hide Title on Video Start Screen. Add a short description to help contextualize the video for learners. This is optional. Add a poster image that will appear at the start of the video before it plays. This is optional too. After all this information has been added, you are ready to move on to adding interactions and making the video come to life. Interactive videos in H5P can contain text, images, navigation buttons, questions, and much more. You can choose to pause the video when an interaction appears, or skip to another point or time code in the video depending on the question's answer, or have buttons that are optional and pop up with extra information while the video is still playing with no interruption to the video. In the Interactive Video Editor, click the Add Interactions tab at the top. This will take you to a screen that previews the video that you have either uploaded or embedded in Step 2. You can add images, tables, links, and several different question types to a H5P interactive video. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to start by inserting a text interactive. Find a place in the video where you would like to add extra context or information. Click the T icon to add a text item. Set a display time that determines when and how long the interaction will appear. This will automatically show the time code of where you have navigated to within the video and last for 10 seconds. Click in the box to edit the time. If you want the video to pause When this particular interaction appears, check the tick box next to pause video. This is useful with interactions as it makes it clear to the viewer that they are expected to complete this activity. Be sure to make the times the same, otherwise the viewer will miss 10 seconds of the video when they complete the activity. Choose whether you want the interaction to display as a button or a poster. A button needs to be clicked before the text or other interaction can be viewed, but a poster is already expanded and appears as an overlay on the video at the specified time. If you have selected a button which is default for the text item, you can enter a label. This could be something as simple as click here. Adding a label is optional. I'm selecting poster, and for this, you will not have the option to add label. Enter some text to display. You can add hyperlinks, headings, and line breaks using the rich text editor. This and the following are optional. If you do not want to add an external URL or skip to the another part of the video, move on to the next substep. Click the Go to On-Click tab to expand options for skipping throughout the video. If you select timecode, the student will be skipped to another part of the video when this button is clicked. If you select another page URL, you can enter a link that will open when this button is clicked. I'm not selecting any of this here. Now, click Done to insert the text interaction into the video. Your new text interaction will appear on the video. You can edit, delete, move, and adjust the size of the interaction before you move on to creating the next one.